Create a durable, safe home gym or hobby room by prioritizing resilient flooring, ventilation, and electrical readiness from the planning stage. Choose rubber flooring or high-grade engineered wood depending on activity and load. Rubber rolls or interlocking tiles provide shock absorption for weights and cardio and are slip-resistant even when sweaty. Engineered wood offers a more finished look for yoga or light cardio, but requires a dense underlayment and moisture barrier to protect the core layers. For ventilation, plan incoming fresh air and increased mechanical cooling capacity if heavy cardio or heat-producing equipment will be used. A sized HVAC upgrade prevents humidity issues and keeps equipment electronics stable. Install dedicated 20-amp circuits with ground fault circuit interrupter protection for treadmills, bikes, and charging stations, and place outlets where equipment will sit to avoid extension cords. Add mirrored wall panels mounted on resilient clips to protect walls and provide sightlines for form without compromising floor cushioning. For storage, use wall-mounted racks and ceiling hoists for bikes or kayaks to free floor space while keeping heavy items off the resilient surface. Common mistakes start with choosing thin, cheap flooring that tears or compresses under heavy weights. Fix this by selecting a minimum 10mm rubber tile or high-density engineered wood with a rated impact layer. Another issue is inadequate ventilation and cooling that leads to damp smells and premature equipment wear. Mitigate this by increasing HVAC tonnage if necessary and adding a controllable exhaust fan or dehumidifier on a timer. People also forget electrical planning and overload circuits, which causes tripped breakers and unsafe extension cord use. Solve it by adding dedicated circuits installed to code and positioning outlets where equipment will be used. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners and contractors around upgrade needs like durable gym flooring, ventilation improvements, and electrical work. We host a discussion community where members share experiences, ask questions, and find contractors interested in these kinds of projects.